amazing.
Sånt sketty Myyrmäki.
But unfortunately it was covered with these
Yeah.
these protections.
Yeah.
The renovation is here.
Yeah.
And it's on Putousrinne brink, and once I can see last one to look from here. Probably built in the beginning of 1974 here, or because
Yeah.
there's one SKSF is from late 1973.
Yeah.
Could turn of the year 1973, 1974, but I wonder what this information if you can see.
Yeah.
Sorry. 3 to 2.
Yes, it was.
Okay. Let's take the rest here. Well, because of the cover. So.
Yeah, probably. So strange.
Strange.
Can try it. First floor. Let's try it first floor.
Yeah. Or
Yeah.
okay.
I can try to push it the door. Yeah.
With 5 first.
Yeah.
These subductions are not really doing anything good.
Yeah. Inspektiivt instituutet meitä pasilla.
The protection actually prevents the door from closing on the ground floor.
Yeah.
So there is actually not so many benefits from this.
Yeah.
There are not that many benefits
Yeah.
from that.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's